Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Dancing Friday. Today is April 10th, 2020. You made it through another week of remote learning. Awesome job, guys. So, before we start, make sure you complete the attendance assignment in the portfolio section under attendance. I can't wait to hear your favorite food. Today, for reading and writing, we're going to have a little bit more fun. We're going to have another read aloud. You're also going to have a math lesson and a special virtual tour. Don't forget to complete your PE art and music assignments. Like always, we're available to answer questions, comment on your work, or respond to messages until 2:30. But we won't be answering during lunch, which is from 12:45 to 1:35. Don't forget to log on next week. We will have remote learning all next week. If you have any questions, be sure to send me a message. Have a great Friday.
He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners, Havana, oh na na.